My favorite teacher. English. My name is Dara. I am a student in grade 2. I have many teachers at school, but my favorite teacher is Ms. Lina. She teaches English. She is kind, patient, and always smiles. Every morning, Ms. Lina greets us with a cheerful voice. She says, "Good morning, class." We answer together, "Good morning, Ms. Lina." She makes our classroom feel happy and welcoming. In English class, we learn new words, read short stories, sing songs, and play fun games. Ms. Lina explains every lesson clearly. When I do not understand something, she helps me with a smile. One day, I could not spell the word beautiful. I felt worried because it was a long word. Ms. Lina wrote the word on the board and taught me how to pronounce and spell it step by step. Soon, I could spell it correctly. I felt proud of myself. Ms. Lina always tells us to be kind, honest, respectful, and hardworking. She teaches us to help our classmates and never laugh at other people's mistakes. She says that everyone learns at a different speed. Sometimes, Ms. Lina reads interesting stories to us. After the story, she asks questions, and we enjoy answering them. She also gives us stickers when we do our best. Those small rewards make us feel happy and encourage us to study harder. During special school activities, Ms. Lina joins us in singing, drawing, and playing games. She laughs with us and makes every activity enjoyable. She is not only a good teacher, but also a caring friend. At the end of every school day, Ms. Lina says, "See you tomorrow. Keep learning and keep smiling." Her kind words always make me feel confident and excited to come back to school. I am thankful to have Ms. Lina as my teacher. She inspires me to study hard, believe in myself, and become a kind person. I hope I can make her proud one day.